Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, you guys. So yes, welcome back to my new temporary space. All right, so we are officially moved out of our old place. We are here with my mother-in-law in her place or whatever. So you know, everybody has their little room, their little space. You make do, you make it work, and it is what it is. All right, so as you can see behind me, I had to bring something from home. My husband was like, you know what, I can make it work. If you need some place to put your bags, I will do that. So we bought this right here, my little storage. This is from IKEA. And it helps because I was really kind of worried about where I'm going to put my bags, the ones that I'm going to be carrying with me or whatever, and switching in and out of. So we made this work. As of right now, I probably have, okay, so right up top here, as you guys know, you can't really see it right now, but it is my Chanel Duval tote. You have the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, my Chanel double flap, a few Kate Spade bags. I have a Louis Vuitton Speedy right down here, and then of course I have like 2 Gucci bags and my Coach bag. That's going to be the Sarah satchel. So in the closet, I do actually have a few other bags, or like smaller, some Kate Spade, some Gucci bags. So I'm just going to switch in and out of it, and I will be doing, you know, changing of my bags, switching out of my bags, and I'm going to be doing that actually on my IG. So I'll do a few IGTV. So just look out for that. All right. But you guys let me know, because I'm sure you can see a difference. I can see a difference, and I actually love it. The lighting, the natural lighting is literally the best. This is the one thing I'm excited about, because I do love the lighting in here and the way the sun comes in. So I'm really excited to look forward to that in my new home, because there are no trees, like no huge trees around us, and we have a lot of light. And I believe, I have to look at the location or whatever. It's not ready to even be looked at, but once it is, I'm gonna look at how the light is coming in, everything like that, you know, just sitting on the lot. And I'll be happy, because for me, what makes me happy is light. I love natural light. I love for it to be bright and airy, and I love that. At the old place, you know, it was very dull. You know, of course, you had those really horrible fluorescent lights, and it didn't help anything. So either which way, I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna get into it. But as you can see by the title, you guys, this is an unboxing. Yes, 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 yes. As you saw in my last video, I did a little bit of retail therapy because I really truly needed it. That is my calm, that is my zen. So find your vice, a good one, and just go with that, you guys. All right. Anyway, I am still not having a great hair day, but I found this cute little hat. I think I took it from my mom. It's really adorable, so I like it. I think I might wear it a lot. So anyway, that's it. Welcome to the space. This is gonna be my space for the next 9 months, you guys. All right. So again, I'm okay with it, because again, I have my bags with me, and on top of that, I have this beautiful natural light. So I mean, the difference in just everything is just, you can see it. All right. So either which way, I have a bag unboxing, and I did pick up a pair of sneakers. So I'm going to actually show you the sneakers first, because I know a lot of you are not really big, huge sneaker fans. So I just want to get that out of the way. All right. If you are a sneaker fan, then welcome to my obsession. Sneakers and bags, bags and sneakers. That's just what it is. All right. So either which way. So I kind of broke everything up into literally just the retail therapy itself. I mean, it was over, you know, a few days or whatever like that. It wasn't just like in one day. But anyway, I went to go take my daughter to the mall to get her eyebrows threaded. And while she was doing that, I went over to Finish Line. And I was just checking in there, just seeing what kind of new shoes they had. For the majority of the time, I always get my sneakers from Foot Locker or on the sneaker app, aka Nike or whatever like that. But I walked into Finish Line, and they had a pair of shoes that I wanted, that I missed out on the sneaker app, which you know, they had it, so I was gonna get it. Anyway, and these are a pair of Jordans, all right? They are Jordan 2s. It is just a different silhouette because they have the Jordan 1s, the 2s, the 3, 4s, 5, 6. I mean, they go up to like, you know, 33s and, you know, the Jordan Retros. It's a lot. If you're a sneakerhead, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you're not, you know, sneakers are just sneakers to you, either which way, that's okay. But these are the sneakers that I picked up. All right, so these sneakers are actually a woman's sneaker. They do a lot of Jordan sneakers in women's style, and it's hard to sometimes get them because a lot of guys actually get the sneakers as well. Same way when it comes to guys' shoes, a lot of girls get them, but we sometimes miss out because the guys always like cop them. But either which way, I love this particular shoe that they came out with because it has so many different materials. You have, you know, like this leather, the suede, you know, and then the other sneaker, they're different colors. So I like that. And then of course it came with different color shoelace. So I'm going to probably rock the black on this one, the lavender on this one. So I know when I went into Finish Line, the guy was like, listen, I just want to let you know, both of the sneakers are different color sneakers. I'm like, I know. That's why I wanted them. He's like, oh, okay, because a lot of people really didn't know, and they saw them. They're like, oh my gosh, I didn't know they were different colors. I like different, you guys. You already know that. I appreciate a good sneaker. Not too many people are fans of the Jordan 2s. I have one pair of the Jordan 2s, and they are the Black History Month pairs, and I will try to put up a picture here because I don't actually have them with me. I think I put those in storage. It's a lot of shoes I put in storage. So either which way, so many different materials. You have the leather, you have the grained leather, you have the suede, you have like the satin. It's just so nice. It's cute, it's different, and that's why I liked it. That's why I got it. So I was happy about that. And of course, you do have on the tongue different color Jordan logo, and right inside you have the number 23 right there. So I think I will be taking these back. I did not inspect my shoes. I did not inspect my shoes properly, you guys. And as you can see, this right here is coming up. I don't know why this one isn't, and I'm really upset about that. So yeah. All right, so that was my sneaker pickup. All right, and so now on to the bag. I know I always do that, but I get excited, you guys. Do not mind me. All right, so the bag in question, you guys, is going to be... I do this and I'm not even prepared. All right, so the plastic is coming off, and all right, you guys. So if you are not familiar, this is the Marc Jacobs travel small tote, or the small travel tote. All right, so you guys know I am a sucker for tote bags. I love my tote bags. The tote bag, literally perfect. All right, so this is a smaller one. All right, I don't know if you can kind of see it. I know I'm closer to the camera now, but this is a smaller travel tote. They actually have a larger travel tote. This particular one I went ahead and got because it comes with a shoulder strap, and I am a sucker for a shoulder strap, you guys. So here it is. I love the thickness of this strap. So there you have that. Just a regular detachable, adjustable strap. I'm going to put this right back in here, but I'm going to open it up a little bit. So there you have it. You have the small travel tote Marc Jacobs tote bag. All right, so I love the fact that it says the tote bag. You have Marc Jacobs right there on the front. On the back, you have the tag, the Marc Jacobs tag. You can see it right there. And of course, like I told you guys, you have the shoulder strap. And then when you go into the interior of the bag itself, You have a zipper pocket. You do have interior flat pockets, and I love it. The details is so pretty. Again, if you can see it, I'm gonna try to take this out. You have it to where it says, you know, the Marc Jacobs tag right there. On the lining, like the stitch lining, it's Marc Jacobs all the way down there. I can probably fit, I'm gonna try to see if I can do it now. Try to see if it fits, because you guys know I love my organizers. So this one is smaller, so I don't know. So I'm gonna try to put it in there. Hopefully it does. If not, then I definitely do have to buy an organizer. Oh, you know what? Hold on. All right. So we're going to get the organizer out of here. And you guys, I literally packed bags and bags and bags. All right. So, all right. So this is a smaller organizer that I have for my Speedy, and you can actually see the difference. So we're going to put that in the tote and see if that fits. It does! Yay! All right, I'm so happy. All right, so as you can see, the organizer fits, and that's how I'm gonna rock it. So I'm gonna take the Speedy strap out. I'm gonna use this bag. I'm gonna switch out of this bag, you guys, because right now I really want to use it. I've been waiting, literally waiting to unbox this with you guys, and I'm glad I did. All right, so I saw this bag on my feed. I mean, this bag is gorgeous. You guys, I think you will literally love this bag, because at the end of the day, it's a tote bag, but it has a zipper opening. And of course, you have all of the interior pockets in there. So it definitely has a lot of storage. And again, you just saw me put in a small organizer in this bag. I'll probably try to buy one that's blue, because I like for it to kind of match. But you know, I mean, to save money, I can just keep it just how it is or whatever like that. And it's fine. It's not going to bother me. But this particular bag, you guys, retails at $175. The larger tote retails, I believe, at like $225 or something like that. But you guys, I saw this on my Instagram feed. I love Marc Jacobs, along with so many other designers. You guys, this is really going to be probably the bag, because it's cute. It's simple. It's a small tote bag. It has a top zipper. It has a shoulder strap that's adjustable and detachable. And it just says the tote bag. Like, I mean, that's stylish in itself. You know what I mean? Like, you don't need anything else. So I would definitely say go ahead and get this. All right. But like I said, I saw it. I couldn't pass it up. They have different colors. They have a beige, a black, this blue right here, this shadow blue right here. But I went with the blue because, you know, I like color. You guys know that. Even though I'm like in this black dress. And this black dress is actually from Target. But it's cute. It's really cute. It's a cute little bag. I really like it. You have the top handle if you didn't want to actually use it by the shoulder strap itself. You can always do that. But more than likely, I'm definitely going to be using it by the shoulder strap because, I mean, why not? This is a great bag, you guys. It's really looking like it's a great bag to go out with. Again, you can not break this. All right, so I'm going to attach this. And it's so cute. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't. But it's engraved in here. You probably can't see it, but that's okay. But I will definitely do another video of the dimensions. I will do a video of what fits in the bag. Yeah, you guys let me know. Let me know if you want me to do that. All you have to do is really just go to Marc Jacobs website, and they have the bag there still. I mean, if you want a tote bag that's inexpensive, you know, I think the tote bag itself, the larger one, is equivalent to the Never Full. And again, that's right around $225. If you definitely want to save money, then go with that. The Never Full is a canvas material, and this is a canvas material, but it's more kind of like a cotton canvas material. So, you know, I believe it's going to be durable, but you definitely have to be careful with any kind of like spillage or anything like that. So there you have it right there. I'll probably definitely adjust this to kind of like fit lower on me, but I'm going to start rocking this cutie literally like today because it's cute. So that is it, you guys. I hope you liked my unboxing. I hope you like my unboxing, you guys. I hope you like the new temporary space. And again, you guys, you know I'm going to be here for a good 9 months. I'm okay because, again, I love the natural light. I have a little lamp that's right there, so that's what you're seeing. But I like the fact that I still have my bags. That's right there. So, but again, my Marc Jacobs small travel tote bag unboxing along with my sneaker unboxing. So that is it, you guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you like the space, the lighting, everything. All right, so again, my new temporary space. Welcome. You guys, like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. All right, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, subscribe. Numbers up. We are on a journey, you guys. All right, I will talk to you in the next video. Bye bye.